Hi, welcome to ABO Phlebotomy School, the first phlebotomy institution in Pacoima, California. We're going to start off today with our first lesson, going over the tubes that coagulate and the anti-coagulation tubes. What is the difference between the two? Is one clots and one doesn't. There is a purpose because we're doing a specific test on these tubes. So let's jump right into it. So what I like to do is split them in half. That way we know which ones coagulate and which ones do not. So we have the coagulation group. The anticoagulation. So what's anti? Anti is against. And coagulation is to clot. Okay? This is to clot. So against clotting, clotting. There are a total of 10 tubes. Okay? Now, if you know what's on one side, then elimination of process, you know what's on the other side. Right? So we have 10 tubes. I start with the coagulation side because there's only 3 tubes on this side. So if we know the 3 tubes on this side, then we know the other 7 tubes that fall onto this side. Correct? So coagulation tube, we'll go with the order of draw, which is the next lesson we'll jump into after this one. So coagulation tube, one would be let's start with the red tube. Okay, red tube, we have the gold tube, and we have royal blue with a red stripe. Okay, so these are your coagulating tubes. A red tube is just the empty bacutainer tube. The gold tube only has a jump. Royal blue with the red stripe, that's signifying that it's just like a red tube. It only has a different colored cap because it's going to a different department for testing. So we have red tube, gold tube, and a royal blue with the red stripe. Now we're left with the 7 other tubes. That's much easier now. So we have light blue, then we have the greens. After the gold is the light green. We have dark green. Easy way to remember, right beginning of the day, it's light, and the second half of the day, right, it gets dark. Next is the lavender tube. So we have lavender. After the lavender, we'll have royal blue with a lavender stripe, signifying again that it has the same additive as a lavender tube, which is EDTA. We'll jump into that to another lesson, but it just has a different cap because it's going to the toxicology department. Lavender tube goes into hematology, don't worry. Again, we're going more into depth afterwards. Next tube is pink tube. And lastly, it's the gray tube. We'll stop right there and then pick up afterwards for the next lesson. Thanks for tuning in. Again, ABO Phlebotomy School, drawn to student success.